To create a startup brain in Obsidian, open your vault and create 3 folders in the File Explorer sidebar. Name them Planning, Projects, and Resources. This is the entire foundation of your system. If you find this approach helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's build the rest. Inside the Planning folder, create a new note and call it Startup Dashboard. This note will act as the home page for your entire business knowledge system. Give it a Level 1 heading that says Startup Dashboard. Then add a Level 2 heading for Business Overview, where you will list your company name, mission, and vision. Below that, add a Level 2 heading for Current Priorities, with a numbered list of 1, 2, 3. Then add Active Projects with a bullet list, Business Goals with another bullet list, Recent Updates and Related Resources. This one note is your command center. Every time you open your vault, you see exactly where your startup stands without clicking through dozens of files. The Planning folder is not just for that dashboard. Whenever you need to think through a business strategy, a product idea, a marketing plan, or a financial projection, create a separate note inside this folder. Keeping each planning topic in its own note makes them easy to update individually and, as we will see in a moment, easy to connect to the projects that come from them. Now move to the Projects folder. Create a note called Project Tracker. Give it a Level 1 heading and then a Level 2 heading for Active Projects, followed by a bullet list. Then add a Project Information section with fields for name, owner, priority, status, and deadline. Add Next Tasks, Complete Projects, and Notes. This tracker gives you a bird's eye view of everything your team is working on. As your startup grows, you will also create individual project notes for major initiatives. Each of those notes should contain the project's objective, current progress, important decisions you have made, challenges you are facing, and the next concrete steps. Keeping projects in their own notes prevents the tracker from becoming a massive, unmanageable list. Next, go to the Resources folder. Create a note called Resource Library. Give it a Level 1 heading, then Level 2 headings for Documents, Research, Useful Links, Templates, and Notes. Use this note to collect supporting information like research findings, industry articles, business documents, and any templates you reuse. This keeps your reference material separate from your active work, so you can find facts quickly without digging through meeting notes. Now connect everything. In Obsidian, you create an internal link by typing double square brackets around the name of another note. Go into your startup dashboard and type double square brackets around Project Tracker and double square brackets around Resource Library. Then open any planning note you created and inside its content, link to the specific project that the plan led to. Open each individual project note and link to the relevant resources inside the resource library. This is what makes the system a brain instead of a filing cabinet. When you view one note, you see a web of connections that lets you jump from a goal to the project that serves it, then to the research that supports that project. Add properties to your notes for even more structure. With Obsidian's Properties feature, you can add fields like status, priority, owner, category, created date, and last updated date. For example, a project note with a status property set to In Progress is immediately distinguishable from one set to On Hold. This makes filtering and searching far more powerful as your vault grows. Similarly, use tags to categorize information across folders. Useful tags here might be planning, marketing, product, finance, operations, or research. Unlike folders, tags can cross boundaries, so a resource about marketing strategy can be tagged marketing and research, even though it lives in the resources folder. This lets you pull up everything related to marketing in a single search, regardless of where it is stored. Finally, establish a simple workflow. When you have a new business idea, first plan it in a note inside the planning folder. Set your priority and goals on the startup dashboard. Then create a project for it inside the projects folder and track its progress in the project tracker. As you gather supporting documents, file them in the resource library. Then every week or month, review your startup dashboard, update your priorities, and adjust your projects accordingly. This keeps your planning, execution, and reference layers in sync. The beauty of this system is that it is both simple and scalable. With just 3 folders and 3 core notes, you have a central workspace that replaces the chaos of scattered documents across different apps. As your startup grows, you can add more folders, deeper notes, and more complex workflows, but you never outgrow the basic structure you built today. Save this video, revisit these steps anytime you feel disorganized, and build your startup brain one note at a time.